Hello everyone, you're welcome back to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a continuation of what we did the last time. Don't forget that last tutorial we started the vinyl printing, that's the introductory aspect of it. So if you're here to watch that, I would advise you that you watch that first before you come and watch that so that I can know where we are coming from. So today we are going to take a step forward by designing our artwork with Coreldraw. So I'm going to be doing a sample for us on how you can actually do your design for vinyl printing with your Coreldraw. In case you don't have, in case you have a plotter to yourself, if you don't have it, definitely you have to outsource. If you don't have a plotter to yourself, you will have to outsource. But if you have a plotter to yourself and you want to do your design, in fact, it's better to do your design yourself because in most cases, when you get to those places that they have to do it for you, those printers or what do we call them now? They might not have enough time to do justice to your work. But when you do it yourself, you can do it to your satisfaction. It's not because they don't want to do it, but most times they have good number of people waiting for them to do the same thing for them. So personally, I do most of my designs myself. So if you have opportunity of doing it, I would advise you do the same. So let me teach you how to use Coreldraw to do your design. And with that, by working on it and keep practicing, you will get used to it and be better be better with it. So if this is your first time of coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also on notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. And to our returning subscribers, we say thank you. Thanks for encouraging us. You are the reason why we are encouraged to do more. All right, let's get started.
So this is the screen of the system. I'm trying to open the Coreldraw software and it's coming up. Don't forget that we have different versions of Coreldraw. This particular one is 2018. So you can work with anyone that you have to yourself. And this is the page that pops up. Near here we have new document, new from templates, and we have open documents. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be working with a new document because automatically I'm going to create a new document entirely so that we can do it from the beginning together. You click on new document and you name your document. So I will name this tutorial just for the sake of this training. I'll name it tutorial. And after naming your document tutorial, I'll go to the size of the paper I want to work with. I'll use A3. Yes, A3. Where is A3? And click on A3 and then I'm going to use landscape. If you want to use portrait, if the portrait will accommodate whatever you want to work with, it's okay by you, but this one I'm using landscape and I'll click OK because other are okay. Then this is the workspace that pops up. So this tutorial we are going to be typing and we are not designing logo, so it depends on whatever you want to do. You want to be writing some things on our fabric, so we are going to be typing on this workspace. I will now go to my text tool. I will click it. After clicking it, I will type whatever I want to type. And now I'm typing the Scurian. The Scurian, that is what I'm printing on a hoodie and also a face cap. I'm typing the Scurian. And after that, I'm going to click it, then change the font. The font you want to use totally depends on you, but in choosing your fonts, please have in mind the wording. If you are going to be working with a big artwork, you can use any font because you find it easy to read. But if you are working with a smaller artwork, I would advise you to please use a font that is very, very visible to the eyes. So for this, I'm going to be using Britannic bold. Britannic bold. Britannic bold, yes, that's what I'm going to be using. And after that, I will have to change the height and the width of my lettering. And as you can see, the height and the width presently is in millimeter, so definitely I will have to change it to inches because I'm going to be working with inches. Before you do that, you must have been able to measure it on the surface you want to press it, so you know. So double click on the ruler here Double click on the ruler. Yes, that's the ruler. Double click on the ruler. Then change from millimeter to inches. That's what we are working with, inches. So I want my width to be 10 inches and the height to be 2 inches. So I'll change that to 10 inches. That's the width and the height to 2 inches. Yes, this is for the hoodie. Make sure you take your measurements before you do your design. Yes, this is this Korean. And after that, I'm going to be changing the text fill. Yes, text fill and the outline. So come to the pen, outline pen, click it. Yes, and change to L line. Yes, change to L line. Okay. And then come to the text fill, click that and remove. Change to none. There's no need for that. The plotter does not recognize any color. All it recognizes is the line that's going to plot for you. And this is here we are. I hope you are getting it now. So after you have gotten to this place, the next thing you're going to do is to duplicate this. Because I'm working with 3 hoodies and 3 caps, I have to do the number of pieces that I'm going to be working with. I'm going to duplicate it. Duplicate it now. In duplicating, you can press Ctrl D as Ctrl D. And it's duplicated it, and I'm going to drag it down. Or you can go to Edit. Yes, Edit. So when you click the edit, you see duplicate, or you can even copy and paste to anyone that is comfortable for you. You do that, and that's what we have just done. We have duplicated it to the number of pieces that we're going to use for our design. So let's now convert to curve. You right click and you see convert to curves. Yes, or you go to object and you see convert to curve. So you do have to do that also for the plotter to be able to plot it. All those steps, please follow it religiously. So you convert each of those to curve. No matter the number you have there, you have to convert everything to curve. So that is what I'm trying to do here now. Can you see now? When I click it, can you see it's no longer text now, it's now curve. So you convert it to curve, and that is what we just did. Just follow me keenly, you will understand everything. So after we have converted it to curve, I have to rearrange my design. When rearranging this design, you have it in mind the size of vinyl you are working with. So this particular one I have 20 inches width and 9 inches length. So because this length is now more than 9 inches, I have to rotate the last one and bring it to the side. I can still accommodate it for the width. So you're just trying to do that to number one, maximize your vinyl, and number two, to make sure you don't go beyond the size of vinyl that you have. So that is what I'm trying to do to arrange it very well. Okay, I'm gonna change it there. If I change it to 0, it's going to be on the straight line. But if I change it to 90 degree, 90 degree, yeah, it's going to rotate like that. So you can either use your cursor to rotate it, or you can change it to any angle you want to rotate it there. But by the way, I'm going to be doing for face cap, so maybe I'll have to reduce the size of that face cap. So let me do that now. So let me do that. The face cap is like 3 inches by 1.5, and see it's going to work. It's going to be like so. Like so, no. I'll have to change it to 1.5 or 1 inches or 1 inch. I'm trying to look for the best size for that one, so it's not be looking funny. So I think I should change it to 4 inches now. This is not giving it. So let me change to 4 inches by 1.5 inch. think by 1 is better. Inches by 1 is better. 1 inches width and 1 inch height. I think is better. So I have to arrange it well. So let me duplicate. I need like 4 pieces for this one. Duplicate it now. Click your edit, you see duplicate. So you have to arrange. Don't forget I said the length of the veneer I have is 9 inches, so it must not be more than 9 inches in height. But the width can still accommodate, so then I have to arrange it. Let me see zoom to fit so you can see very well. You can see what we have there. Okay. So I have to take the last one to the side now. The total height I have is 10.1 and the width is 8.6. Now that 8.6 cannot go because I have 9 inches and there should be allowance. So I'll have to take some away from the down and arrange it to the side. Since the side can still accommodate up to 20 inches. So we have to do that now. If you design something that is more than your venue, the plotter definitely it won't plot it for you. So I'm going to rotate that now. Take it to the side. Change it to 90 degree. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to do is just to rearrange. So just watch it. Just to rearrange it to get perfect size for it. Make sure you give or you put reasonable space for ease of reading. But at the same time, maximize your venue. You shouldn't space it too much so that you can manage it. All I'm trying to do is just to rearrange very well. Then I check it now. We have 15 point something and 6.2, which is okay for me now. So since the 15 is not up to 20 and the 6 is not up to 9, so it's okay. It's perfect like this. I can be sure that it can accommodate my venue. So I'm sure that I can accommodate my venue. I just to maximize that space. That's the only thing I'm trying to do now. Yeah. Okay, check it again. 15.1, 6.2 is still within, so it's okay. It's okay. The next thing I want to do is to change this second one to curve. Yeah, I light everything on the whole and change it to curve. Right click on vertical. Can you see it's now called it's no longer text, and that is it. So we save, and that's all. Make sure you save into plotter file. Plotter file plt. You see plt hpgl plotter file. Save as plotter file. Save as plotter file is very, very important. That's when the software will say it. So that's tutorial.plt, then you save. Yeah, that's it. And that's where I'm going to stop for today. If you avoid this video up to this point, kindly like, share, and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also notification bell so you can get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. The next tutorial I'm going to show you how to import it to the ArtCode, that's the software, and also how to transfer it to the plotter for plotting. Thanks so much. Bye.